what I got. Today we are going to be reviewing the wireless keyboard for my Mac. Hey there, Tracy here from TraceyRose.com, and in today's video what I'm going to trial is having a separate keyboard and mouse from my MacBook Pro, so my laptop, just so the ergonomics of my desk are a bit better. I've been trialing standing desks, I've been trialing different separate keyboards and stuff like that, so I thought I'll trial this and let you know how it goes. Okay, so here's my MacBook Pro and it is currently sitting on two boxes. Not the best setup, but just for trialing purposes, I've put it up here so that it is a better height for my eye line and so my neck isn't always bending or tilting down. So we're trying to eliminate some neck pain here. Instead of using always the trackpad, look at my computer, look how dirty it is. I'm going to be using this mouse. So I've got an Apple mouse and now we're going to open this keyboard. Oh, who else gets excited about new Mac products? Alright, so it's got some packaging on there. Alrighty, so in the box we've got some little instructions and then the keyboard. So if you look at the keyboard, it's a really sleek, thin design. Okay, let's pair it with the computer. Okay, so I am pairing this with a new Mac, so apparently I have to go and switch on this power button at the side. So there's a little light flashing. Okay, so I turned the Bluetooth on and here's the Apple wireless keyboard. Let's pair that to my computer. Now it's asking me to put these numbers in. Connected. So what is the verdict? Well, so far so good. It's interesting to sort of hold your hands in a slightly different position because I've always had Macs for the last few years, so my hands have always been laying on the actual laptop when I'm typing, and I'm so used to using the mouse pad as well. So now I'm actually using a proper Apple separate mouse and now this Bluetooth keyboard. So I think it would take a little bit of getting used to because this also sits up a bit, so it sits up on a little angle as you can see there. But I think it's going to definitely be better for my posture and my back and my eye level, you know, so that my neck doesn't get sore while I'm working and always sort of like tilting down and looking at the laptop. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little review and looky look at my new Bluetooth wireless keyboard for my Mac. And let me know if you get one, or let me know if you know of any cool products that help you work better in your home business as well. And if you want to know more about working from home and using videos and doing blogging and stuff, then head over to my website TraceyRose.com and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!